My name is Evan, and I came here for the newest Jack and Jelly store. You know what it is to come up. But first I'm gonna talk about what I did today. First, I go to school called Rose Bay Secondary College, and I work it up. After school, I walked up and I woke up to my home, and I saw the door, and it came up a box, and it says Jack and Jelly. And I came up and then my box. Okay, here's my box review was. There he is. There he is. Oh my, so excited! I just bought it August 14th. Oh my god. Okay, let's get open up. Okay, let's get open up. Okay. So yeah, it's just the plushie that I got in the August 14th. Okay, yeah, but yeah, it's just it up. But I just got it on August 14th when it came out, when the video came out. Okay, here we go. You want to? Here it comes. You're gonna please it. Right? Whoa! Wow! The BFDI! Oh, that's so cozy. Oh my god! I can't believe it! Oh my god! Let me look it up. Oh wait, there's the back of that. It says watch BFDI at bfdi.tv. And the bottom one says 2019 Jack and Jelly LLC Firey Battle for Dream Island, and I select the image, logos, and traits of Jack and Baby, blah blah blah. Okay. Yes, finally! Firey Battle for the Dream Island. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Hold on. Whew. I open it. Let me take it off. Okay. Wow! I can't believe it. Wow! These arms. Hello, my name is Firey. Oh my god. It's so awesome. I love this. This is so cozy. I love it. I can burn into the water of this one. Just kidding. I'm not gonna burn into lava. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love you, Firey. Oh my god. And then it came out the envelope. It came out envelope. This. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna carefully peel off the Jack and Jelly logo. There. Okay. Here's the Fody. The Fody. Yeah, Fody. Yes. We have a different software version, yeah. And here's the code. You're not gonna see it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't use the code.
It's a secret. Yeah, this is a secret. It's just your vote is now worth 100 votes. Vote who you want to be, right? It's just yeah. Yeah. Yes, it's a 40. I'm gonna make it at that. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make 40. Okay. Okay. Step 2. Okay. Make it. Okay. Hold on. Okay. This is gonna take longer, so yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, there. Step 4. Okay. 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 Then step 5. Okay. 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 Now interrupt the fabric probably 6. It's not. In fabric travel the needle. Okay, so TV. I'm gonna get my phone. Okay, here's my phone. I'm gonna search it. Having trouble. BFDI dot TV foldy. Yeah. Yep, there.
Hi everyone. I know folding a foldy is kind of tricky, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Repeat after me. Make sure to start on this side, the side without my face. Step 1, fold in half, like this, then unfold. Now there's a crease in the middle. Step 2, fold this corner into the center, so it lines up with the markings, like this. Step 3, fold this corner to the center too. Step 4 is over here. Now, fold this corner to the center. Step 5, fold this last corner to the center.
I'm gonna try again. Let me fold it back. Okay. Okay.
Hi everyone. I know folding a foldy is kind of tricky, so I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Make sure to start on this side, the side without my face. Step 1, fold in half, like this, then unfold.
Yeah.
Now there's a crease in the middle. Step 2, fold this corner into the center, so it lines up with the markings, like this. Step 3, fold this corner to the center too. Step 4 is over here. Now, fold this corner to the center. Step 5, fold this last corner to the center. Step 6, now interlock the flaps. Fries couldn't do this part, so it's okay if it takes you a few tries. You'll get it. Step 7, hold me open like a book with your 2 hands, like this. Step 8, make the 2 big dots touch. Step 9, push me together. You're almost done. Flaps. Fries couldn't do this part, so it's okay if it takes you a few tries. You'll get it. Step 7, hold me open like a book with your 2 hands, like this. Step 8, make the 2 big dots touch. Step 9, push me together. You're almost done. Step 10, last step, fold the 2 wings inward to the center. One at a time, then you're done. Now you have a finished foldy. If you only have 1, that means you're done. But if you have 12 foldies, you can make a dodecahedron ball. Here's how. Take 2 foldies. Last step, fold the 2 wings inward to the center. One at a time, then you're done. Now you have a finished foldy. If you only have...
Here, I finished. Here's the foldy I did. It's so awesome. You see that? That's really cool. I just did that. If you want to make foldy, click in the link in the description. Yeah.
That means you're done. But if you have 12 foldies, you can make a dodecahedron ball. Here's how.
Okay, I don't have a 12 foldies. Yeah, I have 1. I don't need another Firey. Yeah.
Foldy pointing this way. Stick the new foldy's wing into the first foldy, like this. This one's sort of tricky, but you can do it. Stick this extra wing into the open slot to make a foldy tripod. And final dodecahedron. Dimensional shape with 12 sides, and each side is a pentagon.
This fire razor. That's so funny. Okay, we're gonna put it back in my phone. So yeah, here's my foldie that I did today. This is so awesome. I love Firey. This is so awesome. So cushy. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Ah! Oh my god, his arms so. Okay, guys. If you like this my video, click in the link in the press the like video, subscribe, follow, share, anything you can do it. So bye bye. Say hi, bye bye to Firey. Bye. Yeah.